A cancer diagnosis is never good news, and as if dealing with the physical and emotional turmoil of cancer wasn't bad enough, there's the financial burden. This guide will arm you with the information you need to navigate the often confusing world of health insurance. We'll break things down in a way that even your weird uncle who still uses a flip phone can understand. We'll talk about different types of insurance, how to choose the right plan, and what to do if your claim is denied. The goal is to take some of the stress out of dealing with insurance companies. This way, you can focus on what really matters. Getting healthy. Let's do this. Health insurance can feel like a foreign language. Deductibles, co-pays, out-of-network, it's enough to make your head spin. But don't worry, we're here to translate. First up, your premium. This is the monthly payment you make to your insurance company. Then there's the deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Co-pays are fixed amounts for specific services, like a doctor's visit. Co-insurance is a percentage of the cost of a service that you share with your insurance company. Understanding these basic terms is crucial to navigating the world of health insurance. There are more types of health insurance plans than there are ways to cook an egg. Each plan has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, much like how each style of cooking an egg brings out different flavors and textures. First, we have employer-sponsored plans, which are like the free snacks in the office break room, a nice perk if you can get them. These plans are often more affordable because your employer shares the cost with you. Then there are individual plans that you buy on your own, either through the health insurance marketplace or directly from an insurance company. These plans offer a wide range of options, allowing you to tailor your coverage to your specific needs. For those who qualify, there are government-sponsored plans like Medicare and Medicaid. Medicare is primarily for those aged 65 and older, while Medicaid assists low-income individuals and families. And let's not forget about short-term health insurance, which is like a Band-Aid for your health coverage. These plans are designed to provide temporary coverage during gaps in your insurance. Choosing the right type of plan depends on your individual circumstances, like your age, income, and health needs. Younger individuals might prioritize lower premiums, while older adults may focus on comprehensive coverage. Take your time, do your research, and compare different plans. Look at the premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Consulting with a healthcare professional or insurance advisor can provide valuable insights. Now that you know the different players in the health insurance game, you can make a more informed decision. Let's talk about how to choose the right plan for you. Consider your current health status, any ongoing medical needs, and your financial situation. Balancing these factors will help you find a plan that offers the best coverage for your needs. Choosing a health insurance plan can feel like trying to pick the fastest line at the DMV. It's a gamble. First things first, you'll want to check the plan's coverage for cancer treatment. This includes things like chemotherapy, radiation, surgery, and even alternative therapies. Next, scrutinize the out-of-pocket maximum. Then, there's the prescription drug coverage. Don't forget to factor in the network of providers. Finally, read the plan's appeals process. Choosing a health insurance plan is a big decision, especially when you're battling cancer. Take your time, ask questions, and don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. Section 5. Network providers. Making sure your dream medical team isn't out of network. Staying in-network is crucial for managing healthcare costs, especially when battling serious illnesses like cancer. The financial burden can be overwhelming, and out-of-network charges can add up quickly. Before choosing a health insurance plan, it's essential to check if your preferred doctors and hospitals are in-network. This step can save you a lot of money and stress in the long run. If your dream medical team isn't in-network, you'll need to weigh the pros and cons. Consider if going out-of-network is worth the extra cost and potential financial strain. Don't be afraid to ask your insurance company for a directory of in-network providers. Many insurance companies offer online tools to help you search for specialists in your area, making the process easier. Remember, just because a doctor is in-network doesn't mean they're the right fit for you. It's important to find a healthcare provider who meets your medical needs and with whom you feel comfortable. Navigating the world of network providers can be tricky, but it's not impossible. Take your time to research and understand your options. With a little research and careful planning, you can find quality, affordable care that fits your needs and your budget. Don't rush the process. Your health and financial well-being are worth the effort. Section 6. Filing insurance claims, because paperwork shouldn't add to your stress levels. First and foremost, understand your policy's claims filing process. Once you know how to file, gather all necessary documentation. When filling out the claim form, be as detailed and accurate as possible. After submitting your claim, keep track of its progress. Filing insurance claims can be a tedious process, but it's a necessary evil in the world of healthcare. By understanding the process and staying organized, you can minimize stress and ensure you're reimbursed for eligible medical expenses. But what happens when your claim is denied? Well, that's when things get really interesting. Section 7. Appealing denied claims. Sometimes you have to fight for your right to healthcare. It's a journey that many people find themselves on, often unexpectedly. Picture this. You've meticulously filed your insurance claim, spending hours ensuring every detail is correct, complete with supporting documentation that would make a lawyer proud. You've done everything by the book, following all the necessary steps. Then, the dreaded denial letter arrives. It's a moment that can feel incredibly disheartening. But don't despair. A denied claim isn't the end of the road, it's just a detour. This is where your persistence and determination come into play. Most insurance companies have an appeals process, which gives you a chance to present your case and fight for coverage. This process can be your lifeline. First, understand why your claim was denied. This is crucial because it helps you address the specific reasons for the denial. If you believe the denial is unjustified, gather any supporting evidence that strengthens your case. This could include medical records, doctor's notes, or any other relevant documentation. Follow your insurance company's appeals process carefully. Pay attention to deadlines and required forms. Remember, you have the right to fight for your health care, and sometimes it takes a little persistence to get the coverage you deserve. Stay strong, stay focused, and don't give up. Your health is worth the effort. Section 8. Beyond insurance, resources for financial assistance. Even with good insurance, battling cancer can feel like you're constantly battling a losing game of Monopoly. The bills pile up faster than you can pay them. First up, explore patient assistance programs. Next, check out nonprofit organizations dedicated to helping cancer patients with financial assistance. Don't forget about local resources such as community centers, religious institutions, and even your hospital's social work department. Finally, consider crowdfunding platforms. Managing the financial aspects of cancer care can feel overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone. Numerous resources and organizations are dedicated to helping patients navigate this challenging terrain. Section 9. The emotional toll. You're not alone in this journey. Navigating the financial complexities of cancer care is like trying to solve a math problem while riding a roller coaster. It's dizzying, stressful, and frankly, unfair. But you're not just a walking calculator trying to balance medical bills. You're a human being going through a life-altering experience, and it's okay to acknowledge the emotional toll this journey takes. Don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from loved ones, a therapist, or a support group. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Facing cancer is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not alone in this journey. Section 10. Planning for the future. Because life, like cancer, can be unpredictable. Nobody wants to think about the worst-case scenario, especially when you're already facing a challenging diagnosis. But planning for the future, even the uncertain parts, can provide a sense of control and peace of mind. Talk to your loved ones about your wishes regarding medical treatment and end-of-life care. Consider creating or updating legal documents such as a will, living will, and power of attorney. Explore long-term care options and their associated costs. Finally, don't put off living your life. Make time for the things you enjoy, spend time with loved ones, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 11. You've got this, a final word of encouragement. Navigating the world of insurance, finances, and the emotional roller coaster of cancer can feel like you're trapped in a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. But remember this, you are stronger than you think, and you're not alone in this fight. You've got this. Lean on your support system, advocate for yourself, And never hesitate to ask for help. There are resources available, people who care, and a whole community rooting for you. And most importantly, never lose hope. You've got this. We believe in you.